How much of a question do you think is going to be in these jurors' minds? They've heard a lot about the victim in this case. They've heard from the victim's family members, from neighbors. And I don't remember if in opening statements it was very clear that he was going to testify, but it certainly didn't seem like he was not going to testify. And you think that they have a natural desire to hear from the person that survived this horrible shooting. Now they won't hear from him. Is that going to make them think he's probably in much more poor health and perhaps help the state? Or is there going to be a question of, well, why wouldn't the victim who was, the person who was shot not going to be here inside of the courtroom to testify even remotely? I think sometimes that's an option for a witness to, even if they're in the hospital, to still testify.
I think it's going to be a big question. I agree, before the jury. Why isn't the victim testifying? What happened to the victim? And there's going to have to be some instructions if the victim does not get up, so that the jury is not inferring things that are not in evidence, that haven't been presented. Like you mentioned, is he really bad off that he cannot? His injuries were so severe that he's not able to testify. So there needs to be jury instructions about that. However, there's going to be a question. I mean, as I sit here, I have the same questions you asked. How bad is he? Why can't he testify as the jury would?